Hey everyone, Josh here with Fresh Start Customs, and today we're going to be using the WeCreat Vision Pro for the hottest laser trend right now for the holidays, and that is the Walmart sign that lights up for $6. This is such an easy project to make. You guys have been absolutely crushing them in the WeCreat users group. So you made me jealous, and I figured I have to make my own video on it and share with you guys how I made mine. And there's actually two different ways that I recommend that you can make this, depending on if you're going to be displaying this in the light or in pitch black. So in the light, I like the 3D effect here. So you can use your own sheet of material like this, and then you can use like the Vision Pro here, and you can cut it out and engrave whatever design that you want by uploading the design to the software and then just printing it out right on the Vision Pro there. Once you cut that out, you can then glue it to your sign here, and you have this nice 3D look here. I call this the daytime view. The reason why is the shadowing of the light in pitch black can sometimes make this a little bit darker, since it has a lip on there that it has to cast the light over. So whenever I have my holiday events or people come over, it's usually during the day or the afternoon with lights on in the house. So that's not really a big issue, and you can still see this well. If you're gonna have people over that spend the night and you want this on all night long, then you can do nighttime view, which you take this engraving and just engrave right onto the board itself. So it'll illuminate by skimming across the board and across the engraving itself, and it'll illuminate better at night there. So this is nighttime view, and then this is daytime view. Depending on how you look at it, you can do either one, whichever your preference is. I just really like the 3D look here. If you guys are interested in this design, let me know. I might put this on the shop. I may not put this on the shop. I even have a little QR code on there that does work in this size here that will track Santa wherever he is, using the website that tracks Santa's sled. So it's kind of a cool little design there. But other than that, that is literally how easy this is. The board comes pre-wired up. It uses little AA batteries on the back here. And it just lights up with a little switch, and you flip the switch. Super easy to use. You can add your own color afterwards. So if you're gonna have something like this type of wood here, I recommend using like color pencils, and it'll pop with color, and that's just something extra that you can add as well. So if you guys have any questions, let me know down in the comments below.